Hello guys, welcome to my entrepreneurship class. Today in this class of entrepreneurship, our topic is types of partners. Chapter number 2, 11th class, an entrepreneur. In the previous class we discussed entire chapter in summary the different types of entrepreneurs on the basis different types of basis, like on the basis of business, on the basis of their skills, competencies, etc. Now today we are going to learn the same topic in detail. These are the types of entrepreneurs according to C. Janhoff. He is an entrepreneur. He was an entrepreneur and a good writer also, a manager, leader, etc. According to him, the entrepreneurs are categorized in 4 categories based on different types of characteristics. Now, we are going to learn these characteristics of these 4 entrepreneurs. First entrepreneur is innovative entrepreneur. As you can see, the name innovative means creating something new, creating something different, creating something unique, or doing something new method, new technique. Those entrepreneurs are called innovative entrepreneurs who are having the skills, who are having the competencies of establishing new ventures, new ways to start the enterprises, नए तरीकों से enterprises start करना, new products they start to produce, new products, unique products, different from others, something special from competitors and different, always changing, new product, new methods of production techniques. They always think of creating something, new techniques of production. New techniques of production which may reduce the cost, which may improve the qualities, which may reduce the workload of the labor, etc. Next, discover a new market, etc. New market. Discover a new market means these are those entrepreneurs who finds that somewhere there is no market for their product or service. How to create the new market? How to sell their product or service in different market? That is a discover a new market. A number of examples can be given here. For example, I am taking the new market. A number of mobile manufacturing companies are there in the market. For example, Nokia, Motorola, Vivo, Oppo, etc. The market of these companies is the teenagers or elders or everyone. But if they start to look for a new market means children, they start to make such types of phone which are related to studies only and to message and to call only, and a number of features are there only for the children who are not teenagers. That will be called new market. Or new market means a product, if a product is not being sold in a particular area, beyond that very area, that is also called new market. So new market they create, everything is new for them. They are always engaged in something, creating new, establishing new idea, developing new idea, new methods, new ways, everything is new. That's why we call it new innovative entrepreneur. Next, imitative entrepreneur. When the innovative entrepreneur creates something new, new method, new policies, new strategies, new sales techniques, the imitative entrepreneur adapt their technologies, adapt their methods, copy their products, etc. That's why they are called imitative entrepreneur. Imitative entrepreneur usually copy or adapt suitable innovation, means suitable innovation for them. Means a number of innovative entrepreneurs are there, or maybe there are a number of innovations in the product or service, but whatever the product is suitable or service is suitable is adapted by them, suitable according to them, imitative entrepreneurs. They are adaptive and flexible. They are adaptive means they are always conscious to adopt something different in the market which has come recently, and they are flexible. They change their product, they change their services. For example, there are two innovative entrepreneurs. One has started to manufacture different types of mobile. Imitative entrepreneur will accept, will adapt, will copy the mobile phones or products of first entrepreneur. If after some time second entrepreneur start to product different types of mobiles having different features, technologies, then these entrepreneurs may start to adapt, may start to work on the second entrepreneur's innovation. Means they copy. That's why we can say flexible. They are flexible. Next, they are producers, not creators. They simply copy from others, adopt the suitable innovation and start to produce. They are not creator. Creator, we can say innovative entrepreneurs are creator. They create something different. They create something new. Next type of entrepreneur, Fabian entrepreneurs. Here we can say that they are shy and lazy. In my previous video, I taught you that lazy does not mean alsi. They are also restless. They do a number of efforts. They work as work shape. Shy and lazy, why we are calling this use? They do not think of doing something new. They do not look into the market for copying something new. So that's why we are calling them very shy and lazy. After that, they are the second generation entrepreneurs. Fabian entrepreneurs are also called the second generation entrepreneurs because they may be the first generation entrepreneurs, their predecessors, grandfather, maybe their, or you can say father, uncle, etc. They copy their steps. They continue their steps, you can say. They follow the footsteps of their predecessors. They know that sometimes there may be the fall in the demand of their products or fall in the sale in the market. There may be the loss, but they do not change their practices used by their predecessors. They continuously follow the footsteps of their predecessors. They are second generation entrepreneurs. आपने कई बार सुना होगा, एक फिल्म भी आई थी, खाना खजाना कुछ ऐसे करके। तो उसमें क्या होता था, उसमें वो एक लड़का होता था, अपने फादर का वो मेथड, रेसिपी ढूंढता था कि कैसे मसाले बनाए जाएं। तो रेसिपी उसको बड़ी मुश्किल में जाकर मिलती है, उसकी मार्केट में डिमांड होती है। तो जो भी उसके प्रेडिसेसर के फुटस्टेप्स थे, मेथड था प्रोडक्शन का, या जो भी थी टेक्निक्स, सेल्स टेक्निक्स थी, वो उसी को फॉलो करता है उस फिल्म के अंदर। तो ऐसे ही ये फैबियन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कहलाते हैं, जो सेकंड जनरेशन होते हैं। कि कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर रहा होगा, उसने कोई अपना नया मेथड, चाहे वो प्रोडक्शन का हो, सेल्स टेक्निक्स हो, वो फॉलो करी होगी। उसका सेकंड जनरेशन उसके सन, ठीक है, या नेव्यू वगैरह होंगे, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उसको फॉलो करना शुरू कर दिया फुटस्टेप्स को, और उसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं लाते। नेक्स्ट, ड्रॉन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स। ड्रॉन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स ये ऐसे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं जिनका शायद कोई अपना ही कोई मेथड रहा होगा या प्रैक्टिस रही होगी और वो उसी को फॉलो करते हैं। ये भी किसी का कॉपी नहीं करते, दे डू नॉट कॉपी फ्रॉम एनीवन। और इनके रास्ते में यदि कोई नई चीज आती है जो इन्हें लगता है कि शायद अपॉर्चुनिटी देकर जाएगी, ये उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को भी यूज नहीं करते। रेसिस्ट चेंजेस, दे रेसिस्ट द चेंज, दे डू नॉट अडॉप्ट द चेंजेस। यदि कोई चेंजेस आने हैं वो उस तरीके के चेंजेस को नहीं करते, अपना जो पुराना मेथड है पुराने मेथड को फॉलो करते हैं। जैसे ओल्ड इज गोल्ड, कि पुराना ही सही है, पुराना मेथड है, वो फॉलो किया जाता रहेगा और आज नहीं तो कल फिर से डिमांड मार्केट में आनी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल के लिए आपको रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स का दे देते हैं। देखिए टी शर्ट वगैरह ये सब जर्किन आती हैं, रेडीमेड क्लॉथ्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रेडीमेड क्लॉथ्स के फैशन के हिसाब से चेंज होते रहते हैं इनके डिजाइन्स। आपको बता दें जो फैशन चेंज होता है उस हिसाब से, लेकिन आप कभी फोकस करें, पुराना फैशन लौट कर आता रहता है और कुछ डिजाइन्स ऐसे होते हैं रेडीमेड गारमेंट्स के जो कहते हैं ना एवरग्रीन, हमेशा चलने वाले एवरग्रीन होते हैं। तो ये ऐसे ही अपने डिजाइन्स को या टेक्निक्स को या मेथड्स को पॉलिसीज को फॉलो करते रहते हैं। ये कोई भी चेंज एडप्ट नहीं करते, ना ही किसी को कॉपी करते हैं, ना ही इस तरीके कई सी चेंज से यदि इनको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलने वाली है तो उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को भी इग्नोर कर देते हैं। These are the 4 types of entrepreneurs according to the theory of C. Danhoff. Hope that you have got the concept and you have liked the video. Give a thumbs up to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks. Have a nice day.